This graph shows a forecast of alcohol sales from 2024 to 2034 in billions of US dollars. Here is a diagram showing the amount of money that Americans are willing to spend on alcohol on a monthly basis. This graph shows how men and women actively participate in binge drinking across the world. This graph shows the times of the day when alcohol-related car accidents are most frequent. Introducing Cheers on Air, a smart, AI-powered alcohol marketplace with responsible drinking tools, hyperlocal drone delivery, and personalized safety insights. The tagline is "Drink smarter, delivered faster." On this page, a user provides their identity document for age verification. This is the store page with typical e-commerce features. Next is the beverage analyzer page where a user can upload a photo of any beverage. The Gemini 3 API then provides information for uninformed users.
Lager beer, approximately 142 calories.
Next is the Am I Drunk assessment. A user earns 5 Sip Savvy points for staying below limits. Next is the virtual bar page where you can upload a photo of ingredients. The Gemini 3 API then generates a recipe that you can also view in virtual reality. Wow, look at that. Next is the Meetup page. On this page, the Gemini API uses actual location data to recommend a beverage based on the weather and also recommend nearby bars and restaurants with the link to Google Maps. Next is the Song to Drink page. Here, the Gemini API tries to match the ambient music with the beverage. Next is the virtual breathalyzer page. On the store page, a user can use their earned Sip Savvy points to get a discount. With the option for drone delivery, users can track the drone in real time via drone cam footage.